Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Emery and today I'm going to be teaching you reading. Today we're starting our new unit and today is the day for us to start our new jobs, new reading jobs. You are the boss. You're in charge of your reading. So today I want to teach you that when readers are the boss of their reading, one of their jobs is to stop at the first sign of trouble and then they say, I can solve this by using a strategy. What kind of strategy? We're going to be using our tricky word strategies, okay? Our good habits for solving hard words. We've been practicing them for a long time now, so let's go through them together to make sure that we don't forget, okay? So one of them is checking the picture, look at all the parts of the word, get a running start, check it and do a double check, try it 2 ways, crashing the parts together, doing a slow check, and saying the word the best you can. Think about what that word means. So I want to remind you that today, when we're reading, we're the boss of our reading. We're going to stop at the first sign of trouble and we're going to try something. I'm going to show you how to do that today. We're going to be reading the book, The Dinosaur Chase, okay? And we're going to be the boss of our reading. Okay, so let's look at the first page together. One day, big dinosaur chased little dinosaur into a... Oh no, I'm in trouble. What do? I have to stop and I have to try something. I'm going to think back to all those strategies that I've learned. And now I'm going to first look at the picture. The picture is going to help me figure out this tricky word. So he chased little dinosaur into a, and I'm looking at the picture. I see the dinosaur looking into something. He's looking into a hole. Now, before I check that word, I want to try something else. I want to get a running start. I want to look at the first letter, okay? So the first letter of this word is H, and we know the H says. So now let's read that word together. Hole, hole. So now let's reread that whole sentence and make sure it makes sense. One day, big dinosaur chased little dinosaur into a hole in a rock. Does that make sense? Does it sound right? And does it look right? Yes, it does. So now we know that when we get into trouble, we're going to stop and we're going to try something. Okay, let's finish reading the page together. Big Dinosaur was very hungry. He sat and waited for Little Dinosaur to come out. Okay, so today, when you are reading, you are now the boss of your reading. So when something does not sound right or you are stuck, you should stop and try something, okay? So remember all of those strategies that we've practiced. While you are reading today, write down a tricky word that you were able to figure out using your word solving strategies. I want you to post that tricky word on your portfolio for today's reading activity, okay? So off you go, readers. You are now the boss of your reading. Have fun.